If you've ever run out of a bestseller without warning, or found yourself sitting on a product that hasn't moved in months, that's not bad luck. That's a data problem. SusTern Inventory Intelligence gives you a complete, real-time picture of everything in your catalog. What's selling, what's stalling, what needs reordering, and what's costing you money sitting on a shelf. Let me walk you through the full feature. The first tab is Stock Overview, your live inventory dashboard. Every product in your catalog is listed here, with its SKU, location, available units, and total value. Low-stock products are automatically flagged with a badge, so they surface immediately without you needing to filter or search. Click Preview on any product, and a detail panel opens. This is where SusTern tracks 4 distinct stock states simultaneously: available, reserved, incoming, and damaged. Most inventory tools show you one number. SusTern shows you the full picture. Available is what can actually be sold right now. Reserved is committed to existing orders. Incoming is stock on the way from suppliers. Damaged is flagged units that can't be sold. Each of these is tracked in real time, separately, so you always know exactly what you're working with. Below that, you'll see location, which store or warehouse this stock is held at, and reorder point, which triggers an alert when stock falls below your threshold. SusTern also surfaces the financial layer directly in the same panel: unit cost, retail price, and margin, so you can see the profitability of every product alongside its stock position in one place. No switching to a separate pricing screen, no cross-referencing spreadsheets. And at a glance, SusTern also shows you 2 summary numbers that matter most for day-to-day decisions. On hand, which is the total physical stock you currently hold across all states, and sellable, which is the portion of that stock that is actually available to fulfill new orders right now. That distinction matters, because on-hand and sellable are rarely the same number, and running your business off the wrong one is how stockouts happen. The second tab is where the AI does its work. This is Inventory Insights. At the top, you'll see 3 AI-generated alerts that have already been identified for your catalog right now. First example, 3 items require urgent reordering to prevent stockouts. In this case, Backpack Canvas 25L, Premium Cotton T-shirt, and Silk Blend Scarf. SusTern has already detected that these are at critical risk based on their current stock levels and sales velocity. One click takes you directly to those products. Second example, 5 items should be reordered soon, with an average lead time of 21 to 35 days. SusTern is factoring in how long your suppliers take to deliver, so the alert comes early enough to actually act on it, not after you've already run out. Third example, 2 items have high dead stock risk. SusTern recommends either clearance sales or bundle promotions for these specific, actionable recommendations, not just a warning. Below the alerts is ABC Analysis, one of the most powerful inventory management frameworks, now automated. SusTern automatically categorizes every product in your catalog into 4 tiers based on value and sales velocity. A items example, 4 products worth $45,230 are your high-value, high-velocity products. These need priority management. Any stock out here costs you significantly. B items example, 5 products worth $28,450 are moderate value and velocity. Regular monitoring. C items example, 2 products worth $8,120, lower value and velocity. Basic tracking is sufficient. D items example, 1 product worth $1,246, dead stock candidates. These need a decision: clearance, bundle, or write-off. This categorization used to require a dedicated analyst running manual reports. SusTern runs it continuously and updates it automatically as your sales data changes. Next is the Smart Reorder Queue, AI-generated purchase recommendations for every product that needs attention. Examples: Backpack Canvas 25L, SKU BPK CVS BLK 25 is flagged critical. Current stock is 0. Suggested reorder quantity is 80 units. Lead time 14 days. This product is already out of stock and needs a PO immediately. Premium Cotton T-shirt, current stock 24. Suggested reorder 100 units. Lead time 7 days. Flagged low. Silk Blend Scarf, current stock 42. Suggested reorder 60 units. Lead time 21 days. Also flagged low, but because the lead time is 21 days, the alert is triggered earlier to account for the longer supplier window. SusTern doesn't just tell you what's low. It tells you how much to order and factors in how long it takes to arrive. Finally, dead stock risk, a scored list of products with low velocity that need your attention. Organic cotton socks pack. Risk score 72%, 156 units, $1,246 in tied-up capital. Wool blend beanie. Risk score 58%, 89 units, $1,424. Each item gets a percentage risk score based on how long it has been sitting and how slowly it's moving, so you can prioritize which dead stock to act on first. Stock Overview gives you the real-time picture. Inventory Insights gives you the AI-powered decisions. Stockout alerts before you run out. ABC analysis running automatically. Smart reorder recommendations with quantities and lead times built in. Dead stock risk scores, so you know what to clear first. That is SusTern Inventory Intelligence, and it runs in the background continuously without you pulling a single report. Early access is open at sustern.ca.